Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable ladybug tumbler using the glitter and vinyl from my designer or craft makers box. If you guys want February's, it is a different theme, but it's equally as adorable, and I have a few more up on my Etsy site. I have cut the radiant template out on my diamond double-sided tape, and I am also going to cut it out on the flower ladybug vinyl. After you get it all cut out with your Cricut or Silhouette, I like to just take some scissors and cut away the excess. If you aren't very good or stable with scissors, you can use a ruler and an X-Acto knife. I wanted to show you here how large my diamond double-sided tape sheets are. This would be a 24-ounce tipsy size, and you can get 2 full templates cut out of 1 sheet. So they are absolutely fabulous. Mine also come in semi-transparent, which gives you kind of a light gray finish, and I also have them in white. So if you need a good base coat, you don't have to base coat your tumbler before you apply my tape. Now we're going to go to our diamond double-sided and remove the sections that you want to place your vinyl on. So you should have your template cut out on this vinyl as well, and we're just going to take each section off one by one. This is a fairly easy template, so I'm just laying it down straight on there, and it goes on fairly easily. If you have a hard time lining this up, you can place a piece of parchment paper underneath your pattern vinyl, and then you can place it a little bit better and use the parchment paper as kind of like a backing. I have plenty of videos on that on some of my other templates if you want to go watch those videos. After I get my vinyl applied to the template, I like to apply the template and the diamond double-sided to my tumbler. It just gives it a little bit more of a hardy backing and easier to apply than when you are trying to make it go on smooth with all the glitter and stuff on it. So I just take the backing of the diamond double-sided and I release it about an inch or so. Then I'll just wrap this around, making sure that it's all lined up. And then when it's all lined up, I'll take that inch or so that I folded back, kind of refold it back, tack it down, and apply my template. These are the 3 glitters we're going to be using. We have Flower Garden and Ladybug and Good Luck. These all came in my January box. If, like I said, if you want the February box, I have a few more up on my Etsy. The Craft Makers box has all kinds of little goodies in it. And then the designer box just has the 3 glitters and 2 vinyls. Just make sure you read each description to make sure you get the box that you want. Now I'm just going to remove parts of the diamond double-sided and apply the glitter. One reason I love my diamond double-sided sheets is because I was the first one to come out with them being white. So I have a semi-transparent one that you can put on your tumbler, and as you can see here, it kind of ends up being like a light gray, so that works with most colors. If you need something a little bit brighter that is a pure white, you're going to want to get my white ones, but you don't have to base coat your tumbler at all, or you don't have to place white vinyl behind your double-sided sticky sheet that's just clear. So this kind of takes that extra step out of it and makes your tumbler a little less bulky in the meantime. And since they are either semi-transparent or white, majority of the time I only need 1 coat of glitter because that diamond double-sided acts as my base coat. And you can see how well here the coverage is on the 2 glitters that I've already applied. You are going to spray seal those glitter sections, let that dry, and then add a layer or 2 of epoxy until your tumbler feels smooth. Then I just cut out some vinyl striping on my silhouette, and I did a little print and cut girl that is holding a ladybug. So I'm going to stripe this out with the purple and then add the cute little ladybug girl. Add your final layers of epoxy and your darling ladybug tumbler is all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.